Alright, so the editing software cut off the top, but we can still work with this. We're going to work with simplifying fractions. I know I've done a video on this before, but I think that we're having some problems with simplifying fractions when there's an odd and even number in the fraction. So like 25 30ths, I notice 25 is an odd number and 30 is an even number. We can simplify this fraction. To show you how, go ahead and change the color so they're different. 25 is going to be red, 30 is going to be blue. So what I'm going to start doing is start listing the factors that multiply to 25. So 25 of the factors are going to be 1, 5, and 25. Not a lot of factors there, okay? Then I'm going to switch the colors to blue. I'm going to get the factors for 30. Factors for 30 are going to be 1 and 30. Then we're going to have 2 and 15. Then we're going to have 3 and 10. And then I ran out of room there, so I think I have 5 and 6 also are factors of 30. So I'm going to go ahead and change color, and I think I see a greatest common factor here, 5 and 5. So 25 and 30 have a greatest common factor of 5. So I'm going to rewrite this fraction here, 25 30ths. And we're going to divide by our greatest common factor. Rewrite that a little bit. 25 30ths. Okay, so we're going to divide by our greatest common factor, which is 5. So 25 divided by 5. And what you do to the top, you do to the bottom. So 30 divided by 5. And so 25 divided by 5 is going to be 5. And 30 divided by 5 is going to be 6. So that is our simplified fraction. So 25 30ths simplified is going to be 5 6. So let's look at another example here, okay? So let's go ahead and write our new fraction. Let's do another example, 27 36, okay? So again, we have an odd on the numerator and even in the denominator. Now it doesn't matter where the odd and evens are, but the fact that we have an odd and even in the same fraction throws a lot of us off. And just like the last example, I will start writing the factors of 27. So the numbers that multiply to give me 27 are 1, 3, 9, and 27. Okay, so those are the factors of 27. So now let's write the factors for 36 and change it to blue. So 36 in blue, then we'll go back to white. So the factors for 36 are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So I'm going to go look for my greatest common factor, and I see it is going to be a 9. 9 is the factor that they have in common, so we can divide the 27 and 36 by 9. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and rewrite my 27 36. 27 36, and we're going to divide both of those numbers by 9. So let's go ahead and divide the numerator by 9 and the denominator by 9, because what you do to the top you must do to the bottom. Simplifying is just another way of doing equivalent fractions. So 27 divided by 9 is going to give us 3. 36 divided by 9 is going to give us 4. So 27 36 in its simplest form is going to be 3/4, and that's how we find the simplest form of fractions.